So if you don't have a router bit made out of diamond to be able to cut through a floor tile for an electrical outlet, you score it on both sides as far as you can with a stone saw. And then you tap. And when it cracks, you'll hear it. It'll change its tone. Sometimes it takes a while, but you just tap. You don't go hard. If you hit it hard, you'll break the entire tile. You just tap away. There, hear the tone? Now it changed, so now it will break off. That's how you do it. Takes a little bit, but it does it.